Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, where we help people in every aspect of starting and growing their business. I hope you are in the holiday spirit because today, I want to share a story with you about how a simple side hustle hanging Christmas lights transformed into a full-fledged business. Whether you're looking to start your own business or just curious about how something as seasonal as Christmas lights can be a serious venture, this story has some valuable lessons about entrepreneurship, scaling up, and turning a passion into a career. Let me take you back a few years. It was the beginning of November, and a friend of mine had just finished decorating his own house with Christmas lights. Every year, he'd put in hours untangling lights, he'd climb ladders, and make sure everything was just perfect. Neighbors would always stop by, admiring his work, and one day, someone jokingly said, "Hey, I'd pay you to do that for my house." Then he had a light bulb moment. Could I turn this into a side hustle? He already had the skills, the passion, and the tools. Why not help others create that holiday magic while earning extra cash at Christmas? At first, it was just that, testing the waters. He put up a few flyers around the neighborhood, posted on local social media groups, and talked to people he knew. He got his first few clients pretty quickly: neighbors, friends, and friends of friends. He would show up with his trusty ladder and string lights just like he did for his own house. He charged them a flat rate for the labor, and to his surprise, everybody really liked the results. What he thought was just a small side hustle was actually in demand. People loved the convenience of not having to do the work themselves and appreciated the professional look. One client led to another, and soon, he found himself working almost every weekend in November and December. This wasn't just a hustle to make extra cash for Christmas presents anymore, it was becoming much bigger. But, of course, with growth comes challenges. As more clients called, he had to start thinking more strategically. He was only one person with limited time and energy. He realized quickly that if he wanted to take this seriously, he had to make changes. Here are some of the key challenges he faced. Time management: with each installation taking hours, he couldn't take on every client by himself. His weekends were booked solid, and he even had to turn down jobs. Equipment and safety: his old ladder wasn't cutting it for bigger homes. Plus, he wasn't fully prepared for some of the safety risks involved, like working on steep roofs and using higher voltage lights. Business structure: he wasn't officially licensed or insured at this point. And while it was manageable with a small client base, he knew he was going to need to formalize things if he wanted to grow. He had to decide: do I stay a small-time side hustle, or do I scale? This is where things got real. He knew if he was going to make this a sustainable business, he had to get serious. So, he did 3 key things that he believed was essential for anyone looking to turn a side hustle into a business. 1. Forming a legal entity: he established his business as an LLC. This protected him legally and gave him a professional image with clients. Now, instead of just being the guy who puts up lights, he was the owner of a legitimate business. 2. Hiring help: he couldn't do everything himself. So, he hired a couple of college students who were looking for extra holiday cash. He trained them to do things his way and invested in the right equipment to make the job safer and more efficient. 3. Expanding services: he realized that Christmas light installations could be just the beginning. After the holidays, people needed their lights taken down and stored. He started offering removal and storage services, which extended his business into January. Later, he added more seasonal services like Halloween decorations and even year-round landscape lighting. This shift transformed the business. Suddenly, they weren't just providing a service for a couple of weeks in December, they were offering a full package that covered the entire holiday season and beyond. One of the keys to scaling any business is effective marketing, and this was no different. He knew he had to stand out in a crowded market, so he invested in a few things. Branding: he created a name and logo for the business, something festive, fun, and memorable. This helped clients recognize him as a professional company. Online presence: he built a simple website, started a Facebook page, and listed the business on Google. He also started posting before and after pictures of their work, and referrals started to grow. Seasonal promotions: he offered discounts for early bookings, which helped spread out the work throughout November, rather than cramming everything into the final weeks before Christmas. By leveraging these tools, word spread quickly, and soon, they were working with homeowners, businesses, and even local governments who wanted to light up public spaces. One of the good things about turning a Christmas light installation hustle into a business is that it's seasonal. That might sound like a drawback, but in fact, it's a huge benefit. Here's why. Low overhead. Since it's seasonal, you don't need a year-round staff or expensive office space. He was able to keep his costs low by only ramping up hiring and equipment expenses during the busy season. Seasonal flexibility. With the extra income from the holiday season, he had the flexibility to work on other projects during the off-season. Many of the skills and tools he developed for Christmas lights also apply to landscape lighting, so he was able to offer services year-round when he wanted to. Repeat clients. Holiday lights are an annual tradition, so once you do a great job for someone, there's a high chance they'll come back to you the next year. This built-in customer retention meant he could count on recurring revenue. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but is it really that simple? Well, there are a few lessons he learned along the way that he shared. 1. Start small, think big. He started the business with just a ladder. Don't be afraid to start with what you have, but always think about how you can scale. 2. Invest in yourself and your business. Whether it's upgrading equipment, learning new skills, or getting the right licenses, invest in yourself if you want your business to grow. 3. Customer service is key. In a service business, your reputation is everything. Be responsive, deliver quality work, and treat each job with care. This will bring clients back year after year. 4. Adapt and expand. Don't box yourself into one type of service. If there's demand for something else related to your business, like holiday light storage or off-season services, consider adding it to your offerings. And that is the story of how his simple Christmas light installation side hustle became a thriving business. It started with a love for the holidays and a single comment from a neighbor. With some creativity, hard work, and a willingness to grow, he was able to turn a seasonal gig into something much bigger. If you have a passion or a side hustle that you're thinking about turning into a business, my advice is go for it. Start small, but always keep an eye on the future. You never know where it might take you. The happy holidays are almost here. May your lights always shine bright.